Now, uniformly loaded distributor feed at one end. Okay, one end. Now, that is two-wire system. First of all, what is the meaning of this one? That is two-wire system, two-wire, that is two-wire DC distributor. Okay, that is two-wire DC distributor. Make like this one. Suppose that is AB. Okay, uniformly distributed. Okay, and let two-wire distributor, our formula based on, okay, develop corresponding to this one, DC. Two-wire DC distributor, better to write two-wire DC distributor. I, this is equal to ampere per meter length. Okay, and R is ohm per meter length. Okay, now, and the total length is L. Okay, now we have considered a point C from supply into, okay, that is distance is X and this point represents C. Okay, now the current at point C is I into L minus I into X, or you can say that I L minus X ampere. Okay, simply. What about current in this section? That is total current is L into I, because of current is ampere per meter and resistance is also ohm per meter. Okay, so what about current in this section? That is IL minus IX. Okay, total current minus this current corresponding to this path, so net current corresponding to this one. Okay, now if you consider a small strip dx, that is dx. What about resistance corresponding to ds length? That is ds is the dx meter. Okay, so R into dx. What about voltage drop corresponding to this portion? Okay, now consider a small length dx near point C. Okay, so voltage drop over length dx is dv, this equal to I L minus X into R into dx. Okay, now if you determine corresponding to this voltage drop, okay, the voltage drop total or you can say the total voltage drop corresponding total voltage drop in the distributor up to point C. Point C is, that is 0 to X into I L minus X into R dx. This one is IR and Lx minus x square by 2. This is the formula, that is V. Okay, so voltage drop corresponding to AC is written as, in this portion, I into R Lx minus x square by 2. Okay, voltage drop corresponding to this section. Clear? Now another way, what about maximum voltage drop across this this distributor, or you can say that voltage drop across distributor. Okay, distributor AB, this one is corresponding to AC. So maximum voltage drop, or you can say that voltage drop over the distributor AB, is x this equal to L. So V of AB, I into R L square minus L square by 2. So it is written as IR into L square by 2. Okay, R, capital R is I into R. Okay, I into R, the total resistance of the distributor. This one is the total resistance of distributor. Okay, and R into L. Okay, sorry. And what about I? I is small I into L, that is total current entering at point A. Okay, so it is also written capital I into R by 2. Okay, clear? Sometime question asking corresponding to what is the power loss. Okay, so what about power loss? Power loss in distributor AB. Okay, our motto, determine power loss in distributor. Clear? So I know that what is the power? Power is I square into R. I know that I square into R, but here power loss corresponding to this portion. First of all, determine power loss in length dx. Power loss, because this is the distributed, this is the uniformly distributed. Okay, that's why power loss in length dx is written as current in length dx to the whole square into resistance in length dx. So I know that what about current in dx length, that is I L minus x into R dx. Okay, simply, okay, to the whole square. And what about resistance? R into dx. Simply multiply this one. Okay, but our motto, power loss in whole distributor, our motto determine total power loss, power loss P in the whole distributor is, that is P is equal to 0 to L I into L minus x to the whole square into R into dx. Okay. We got another formula, that is I cube R into, sorry, I square R into L cube whole divided by 3, or you can say that I L to the whole square R into L by 3, that is R, sorry, capital I into R by 3. Make it. After that I have discussed. Clear? So there is this formula corresponding to voltage drop, corresponding to power loss. So it is, always remember, I square R L cube divided by 3 or I into R by 3. Okay, and voltage drop corresponding to this one, we got V of AC I into R L x minus x square by 2. Okay, this one is the basic formula corresponding to voltage drop. Okay, and total voltage drop corresponding to V of AB, or you can say the maximum voltage drop corresponding to distributor. Okay, this is the voltage drop corresponding to AC distributor, that is maximum voltage drop corresponding to DC distributor AB, that is we got I into R by 2, means I into R into L square by 2. 3 formula very useful, this one and this one. So in these 3 formula use and solve all type problems. Okay, clear? Make it. Now corresponding to question, calculate the voltage at distance from 200 meter. So this is A and that is B of a 300 meter long. Okay, that is our motto corresponding to here, that is C point. X this equal to 200 meter. Okay, distributor uniformly loaded at the rate of I this equal to 0.75 ampere per meter are given. The distributor is feed at one end, so that is VA is given 250 volt. Okay, the resistance of distributor go and return per meter is like this one, means R this equal to 0.018 ohm. Okay, already given 2 wire system, that's why R is not multiplied by 2. Okay, also find the power loss and also determine power loss. Okay, so first of all our motto, determine voltage corresponding to this one. So first of all, if you determine voltage drop across AC, after that we have VA minus V of AC, then VC. Okay, first and second one, determine power loss. With the help of formula I can also determine. Clear? So here written is voltage drop at a distance x this will equal to 200 meter from supply end. Okay, I know that. What is the formula of this one? IR into L minus Lx minus x square by 2. So what about I? That is 0.75. And what about R? R is 0.00018 and L is 300 and x is 200. Okay, minus x square, that is 4000 divided by 2. Okay, so if multiply by this one and we got near about, that is 5.4 volt. Okay, I have already done it, that's why that is 5.4 volt. Clear? Voltage drop corresponding to this one. Our motto: determine voltage at a distance of 200 meter from supply end. That is VA minus voltage drop corresponding to this one. Okay, so that is 5.4. Finally, that is 250 minus 5.4. We got 250 minus 5.4, that is 2446 volt. Clear? Now next one, our motto: power loss in the distributor is, I know that P this equal to I capital R by 3, or you can say that it is written as I square R into L cube divided by 3. So what about I? I is 0.75 to the whole square and R is 0.00018 and L is 300 meter. 300 to the whole cube whole divided by 3, and I have already done it. That is 911.25 watt. This is the final answer. Formula based problem. Okay, very simple. Our motto: find the first one, calculate the voltage at a distance of 200 meter. 200 meter, it means VA minus voltage drop, that is. Okay, we got it, and solve it. Now corresponding question, a 2-wire DC distributor. First of all, make that is A and that is B. What about L? 200 meter. Long is uniform loaded with 2 ampere. I this equal to 2 ampere per meter. Okay. Resistance, single wire. This is given corresponding to single wire. But we have discussed formula corresponding to 2-wire system. Okay, so what about R? R this equal to 2 into 0.3 ohm per meter. Okay, means 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm per meter. Okay, given single wire. If given corresponding 2-wire system, then it is given only 0.3 ohm per kilometer, whatever kilometer, or you can say that 1 by 1000 meter. But here given single wire, and our formula develop corresponding to 2-wire system. That's why multiply by 2. Clear? Now next question, if the distributor is the feed at one end means like this one, calculate the voltage drop up to a distance of 150 meter. means our motor determined corresponding to x this will equal to 150 meter. ठीक है, okay, that is VC. So the voltage drop up to distance corresponding to this one, so it is written as VC this will equal to voltage drop corresponding to 150 meter feeding the point. Okay, if any doubt, then written here the voltage drop up to a distance of 150 meter from the feeding point VC this will equal to, I have already discussed. What about this formula? I have already discussed IR into LX minus x square by 2. Simply use formula. Okay, so I this will equal to 0.6 into 10 to power minus, sorry, R this will equal to 0.10 to power minus 3, and I this will equal to 2. And what about L? That is 200 into 150 minus 150 to the whole square by 2. Okay, so what about this one? That is 200 into 150 like this one minus 150 into 75. Okay, multiply by 0.6 multiply by 2, that is 22.5 volt. Okay, that is 22.5 volt. Now our next target is maximum voltage drop. I know that the maximum voltage drop, or you can say that voltage drop across distributor AB. The maximum voltage drop or the voltage drop across distributor AB is I into R, or you can say that, sorry, IR by 2, or you can say that IR into L square by 2. Okay, I is the total current entering at the feeding point. Okay, what about I? I is the total current entering corresponding to at point, if written here at point A is I into L. What about I? That is 2 and L is 200. It means that is 400 ampere. Okay, total resistance of the distributor AB, that is I into, sorry, R into L. R is, what about R? R is small r is (0.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 and L is 200, that is 0.12 ohm, that is 0.12 ohm. So the maximum voltage drop or voltage drop across the distributor AB is 400 into 0.12 divided by 2, that is 24 volt. Okay, this one is 24 volt. Okay, first of all make it, and this one is 22.5 volt. Okay, simply use formula and solve it. Make it. Now corresponding question at 250 meter. First of all make the, that is A and that is B. L this be equal to 250 meter. 2-wire DC distributor feed from one end is loaded uniformly. I this be equal to 1.6 ampere per meter. The resistance of each conductor is like this one. Each conductor is, but our motto corresponding to wire. We have developed the formula corresponding to wire. So what about R? R is 2 into 0.0002 means that is 0.0004 ohm per meter. Okay, now find the voltage necessary at feed point to maintain 250 volt. Means what about BA? That is 250 volt. Okay, our motto determined at the end var means corresponding to here. Okay, so first of all voltage drop corresponding to AB, entire voltage drop, or you can say that maximum voltage drop, written as voltage drop across AB, that is, I know that IR by 2, or you can say that IRL square by 2. I is 1.6, R is 0.0004 and L is 250 to the whole square by 2. Okay, that is 20 volt, that is 20 volt. Okay, now voltage, our motto find the voltage necessary to at feed point to maintain 250 volt, means voltage from A to B, voltage from feeding point, voltage at feeding point, feeding point means that is VA plus voltage dot across entire distributor, that is 20, near about 250 plus, this one is 250 plus 20, that is 270 volt. This is the final answer. Okay, if question asking corresponding to voltage drop, then this one only 20 volt, but corresponding to feeding point means this voltage plus entire voltage drop. Okay, that is clear. Now next one, first clear. Now next one, at the midpoint of the distributor means X this equal to L by 2, that is point C. Okay, so voltage drop at X this is equal to L by 2, that is VC. I have already discussed the formula, IR into Lx minus x square by 2. I is 1.6 and R is 0.0004 and L is 250 and x is L by 2 means 125 minus 125 to the whole square by 2, and we got that is 15 volt. With the help of Kalsi we got 15 volt. Now our motto from feeding point, okay, so voltage at feeding point is 250 plus 15, near about 265 volt. This is the final answer. Okay, make it simply. Okay, our motor corresponding this voltage plus this voltage. Okay, means voltage drop this one and plus this is the from feeding point. If asked corresponding to voltage drop this one, then finally this formula is this answer is sufficient, but corresponding to feeding point, that's why 215 plus 50. Okay, make it.